Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn to stop Roblox crashing. So firstly, if Roblox is crashing on your PC, we'll have to restart the PC. To do that, go to the Windows button, now click on the power button, and now click on restart. After you have restarted your PC, you have to go to the search panel, then type run, then click open. In run, you have to type percent local app data percent. Now navigate to the Roblox folder, right click and delete this folder. After you have successfully deleted the Roblox folder, you will go to the search panel yet again and type Roblox player. Then click on open file location. Now right click on Roblox player, go to properties, now compatibility. Now take disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Hit apply and OK. Now this will fix your Roblox from crashing again. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.